guys, this is Sandra Essex, your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to this channel. Today I will be doing a review on an MLM company called Scentsy. But before we get started with my review, if you are new to my channel, I would like to inform you that this channel is all about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with network marketing, how to make money working from home, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. We do a lot of product reviews on this channel so that you can make an informed decision. If these are topics that you want to learn more about, please make sure you click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Now let's get into our review of this company. Take care and have an awesome day. Hello guys. Today's review is on an MLM company called Scentsy. What we're doing right now is looking at Scentsy's website, and in this review we're going to tell you a little bit about their products, their compensation plan, can you make money with this company, and my overall pros and cons about my assessment of this company. So right now we're looking at the Scentsy's website. The company was started in 2004. The company is located in Idaho. The founders of the company are a husband and wife team, Heidi Thompson and Orville Thompson. Their flagship product is fragrance warmers, and they have all different scents of fragrance warmers, but they have many other products besides the warmers. They have essential oils, room sprays, cleaning soaps, hand soaps. I mean, they have so many other products, and they're all natural products. So right here we're looking at their corporate website, and it is a cute and simple website, and as you see that it is a friendly looking website, and here you can see some of their elegant warmers that the company carries. But what I'd like to do right now is maybe show you a little bit of their products that they have, because they have a complete catalog full of products. They have the warmers. You see it's different assortment and collections of warmers. They're very nice and attractive warmers, and they have a lot of scents where you have a good product base of scents that you can offer your company customers if you're interested in getting into business with this company. Now their compensation plan is based on the party plan, and the party plan system is something like Mary Kay and Avon, where you have to have parties, you have to show your products to people, and you make a percentage off of what you're getting paid. Let's take a look real quick at their compensation plan. Their compensation plan is a very simple compensation plan. You make 25% of your personal sales, and then from there down to 10 levels, you make anywhere from 9%, 2%, 3%, 5%, and 4%. So anywhere from 2% to 9% from your downline, and you make 25% off of every sale that you personally make. Now, looking at this right here, I would like to talk a little bit about what I see about the pros and cons. You have a niche-based product where your only market is going to be to people that are definitely interested in these type of products. So they move over 230,000 products every month. So it is a semi-good support base for these products. Now, some of the pros that I see about this company is that you have a low startup fee. It's only $99 to get started. You order your starter kit, you throw your party, and you sell products and try to recruit. Another pro for a company of this nature, it's a company that you can work from home full-time or part-time, and it will be, to me, for somebody that has a keen interest in these type of products. Now, the cons that I see in this company is that I think myself it has a weak compensation plan. It's a very weak compensation plan to compared to other companies out there, but it is a decent compensation plan. Another con that I see is that you're really going to have to sell a lot of products to make money. And the number one thing that I see with this type of company is that people getting involved in network marketing and these up and coming companies, you're really going to have to learn how to market your business. You're going to have to pull yourself out of the comfort zone of just thinking that you can build a business with your family and friends. They're going to suggest in their starter kit that you throw a party, invite your family and friends, and build from there. But myself, I have been involved in network marketing for numerous years. My last two companies, I have been a top producer because I understood that you have to get past your family and friends. I never built a business that was successful and made money just with my family and friends. I had to learn how to get out there and market and brand myself and be able to generate daily leads. So those right there are the cons that I see, is that most people don't know that they're going to have to really get out there and learn how to bring in more leads, and that you have a lot of leads coming in today. So with this being said, the overall review of this company, it's an okay company. You can make some money, but it's going to be a lot of hard work because with their low compensation plan, you're really going to have to make a lot of sales. But I'm not saying that it can't be done, and it is a lot of distributors out there that are very interested in these products, and it might be something that you're interested in, but you're going to have to learn how to generate daily leads. So if you're interested in learning how you can generate daily leads for this business or any type of home-based business that you're thinking about joining, feel free to look down at the bottom of this video. I have a link that gives you my #1 recommendation for making money online. I have a link that shows you how to generate leads for your business. And also, I'd like to make a disclaimer. I am not an affiliate of this company. I use their products. I love their products. I was just giving you an overview of this company. So if you are interested in making money with this company, that you can make a good, sound business decision. I hope that you have found value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and also subscribe to my channel and hit my icon where you can be notified when I release new videos. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below this video. And if you would want to learn more about my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to take a look, and also, as I said before, I have a link where you can learn for free how to generate unlimited daily leads for your business. With that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button to get updates on my daily videos. And please hit my subscribe button and subscribe to my video channel. Take care, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.